Hi everyone, I'm Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the eye makeup look that I have on right now. I like to call this one Head in the Clouds for obvious reasons. And in order to do this look, you're going to need 5 different eyeshadow colors and a white eyeliner. So for the 5 eyeshadow colors, you're going to want a dark matte blue, a dark matte purple, a medium toned matte orange, a matte white eyeshadow, or you can use one that's close to your skin tone color, a light metallic color of your choosing. I'm using a purple toned silver here. And then you're also going to want a white eyeliner. All right, so without further ado, let's just jump on into it. As always, I'm starting by applying an eye primer. This helps the eyeshadows to last longer as well as appear more vibrant. Highly recommend. Next up, I'm taking out my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Chaos, which is a dark matte blue color. And I'm picking this up on my stiff eyeshadow C brush. You're going to want to pack this tightly all over the lid and then start blending it out towards the crease and the outer corner. Make sure to leave the inner corner open for a highlight later. And I've sped up all of the eyeshadow application. It's in double time. I'm taking out my Norvina Pro Pigment palette and I'm picking up the dark purple shade B4. And we're going to start by applying that to the inner part of our eye right above where we placed the blue color and blending it in. We're also going to add this dark purple color to the outer V. Make sure to leave a space open between the 2 spots where we put purple. This is where we're going to put our orange eyeshadow later on. Going back into that Norvina palette, I'm picking up our matte orange eyeshadow. Starting at the middle of the eye above the blue eyeshadow, I'm going to be blending that outwards, making sure to blend it well into both the blue and the purple eyeshadows. I cut out most of the blending here because it's kind of boring to watch, but I highly recommend you take a lot of time in blending your eyeshadows together. That really helps it to look the best it can. Back in that Norvina palette, we are picking up our matte white shade and we are applying this all over the brow bone and blending into the edge of our eyeshadows to just help diffuse that color and create a softer, more gradual transition. Now we're picking up our metallic purple shade and we're going to be applying this onto the inner corner of the eye to give it that nice, vibrant pop. All right, now I'm using my white eyeliner. I've got an eyeliner brush that's already wet. This is what we're going to be using to draw the clouds. So the first cloud I've left at normal speed. What you're going to want to do is make a half C and then make 2 smaller half Cs below that, kind of like little mountain range. And then you're just going to fill that in. I recommend you start small and you can always make it bigger as you need to help define the shape and make it look more cloud-like. Try to leave the bottom relatively flat. Now I'm just picking up a brush that still has a little bit of that purple pigment on it, and I'm pressing it gently into the cloud to help diffuse the eyeliner out a little to give it more of a cloud-like, softer appearance. So I'm going to draw 2 more clouds. I'm placing one closer to the center of my eye and slightly higher than the other cloud using the same technique as before. And I'm placing another cloud on the corner of my eye below the other one, kind of in the crease, so that you can't really see it that well until I blink. Finally, I'm going to draw a little half crescent moon on the inside of my eye. Now on my lower lash line, I'm going to apply a bright orange color. This is from the Urban Decay Electric palette again in the color Slow Burn. And since blue and orange are on opposite sides of the color wheel, they complement each other very well. Now I'm taking a waterproof white eyeliner and I'm going to be applying that onto my lower waterline. This helps your eyes look brighter and bigger. Now I'm applying some false lashes. And this is what the final result looks like. I hope you guys had fun with that. I know I sure did. Okay everyone, that completes the look. I like to pair it with some sparkly highlighter and some pink lipstick, but you do you. I hope that was fun and informative. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions for me. Please feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more makeup tutorials. And I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!